Hello friends, quick upgrades. LED light bars, HID kits, backup lights, and headlight bezels. Brighter nights, safer reverses, and a sharper look. Number 1. Nilight LED light. The Nilight LED light bar 2 PCS18W 6-inch flood LED pods are a reliable and budget-friendly lighting upgrade for off-road vehicles, trucks, SUVs, ATVs, boats, and golf carts. Featuring high-quality LED chips, these lights produce a bright white flood beam for improved visibility in dark conditions. The durable die-cast aluminum housing provides efficient heat dissipation for a long service life, while the IP67 waterproof rating protects against water, dust, and harsh weather. Number 2. Termitor upgraded H11/H9 LED light. The Termitor upgraded H11/H9 LED light bulbs, pack of 2, deliver an ultra-bright 6500K cool white beam that enhances nighttime visibility with improved clarity and contrast. Designed as a 1:1 replacement for OEM halogen bulbs, they offer quick plug-and-play installation in about 3 minutes without requiring modifications. With an IP68 waterproof and dustproof construction, these bulbs are built to withstand harsh weather while providing reliable, long-lasting performance. Number 3. SEALIGHT 2026 latest 921 LED bulbs. The SEALIGHT 2026 latest 921 LED bulbs, pack of 2, are high-performance 912/T15/W16W LED reverse light bulbs engineered to deliver up to 700% more brightness than standard halogen bulbs with a crisp 6500K cool white output. Equipped with 24 high-brightness 2835 SMD LED chips, they provide a wide 360 degrees beam pattern for improved rear visibility and safer reversing. The built-in canvas error-free system helps prevent dashboard warning lights and radio interference on most vehicles. Number 4. SEALIGHT H11/H9/H8 LED fog light. The SEALIGHT H11/H9/H8 LED fog light bulbs, pack of 2, are engineered to provide up to 10 times brighter illumination than standard halogen fog bulbs, producing a crisp 6500K cool white beam for improved visibility in fog, rain, and nighttime driving. Featuring a compact 1:1 OEM size design, these bulbs install in about 3 minutes with simple plug-and-play setup and require no external drivers or modifications. Equipped with 32 high-performance LED chips, IP68 waterproof protection, and an advanced cooling system with a high-speed fan and aviation-grade aluminum body. Number 5. The VOOC 3157/Switchback LED light. The VOOC 3157/3057/3357/4157 Switchback LED light bulbs, pair 2, are dual-color white/amber LED bulbs designed for vehicles that use a single bulb for both parking/DRL and front turn signal functions. Featuring 22 high-power 5730 SMD LED chips with projector lens, they provide bright xenon white illumination for daytime running lights and instantly switch to a vivid amber flash when the turn signal is activated for improved visibility. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a like. See you in the next video.